our students.
Alfonsa Senior Secondary School has been vibrant with many celebrations, festivals and functions since the beginning of the scholastic year. The year began with a lively English week in April, encouraging creativity and communication skills and celebration of English Day with great pomp and show. Green Army Day was celebrated on 22nd April 2024. It created awareness amongst the students about clean and green earth.
July marked the beginning of celebrations and leadership development. The investiture ceremony was a key event where student leaders were nominated and voted upon, followed by the joyful celebration of St. Alfonsa Day, which was celebrated with complete dedication and cheerful smiles on the faces of little Alphonsites.
Independence Day was celebrated with patriotic fervor, while the Rakhi festival highlighted the cultural richness of our school. The diligent students of class 7 tied the Rakhi on the wrist of the driver bhaiyas and established the purity of the bond. Alfonsa Senior Secondary School celebrated Principal's Day on 23rd August 2024 to honor and appreciate the leadership and dedication of its loving principal, Reverend Sister Navya. The day was celebrated as Helpers Day to honor and appreciate the selfless service of its supporting staff with heartfelt tributes to the helpers. This was followed by Teachers' Day on 5th September. The students engaged themselves in various cultural programs and prayer service to express their appreciation for their beloved teachers. On that day, cooking and serving of food for entire staff was done by gent staff. Variety of food was cooked by them. Lady teachers took part in rangoli and salad making competition. To commemorate Gandhi Jayanti and promote cleanliness awareness through Swachhata Abhiyan, students of Alfonsa Senior Secondary School participated in a rally carrying placards and banners emphasizing cleanliness and hygiene. Swachhata Abhiyan was carried out near railway station premises also. On the wonderful occasion of Diwali 2023, needy and poor people of Savangi area were invited respectfully by the school management, and sweets and gifts were distributed to a group of 28 elders and 16 children under the charitable initiative Joy of Giving undertaken by the school collectively. Our super talented teachers did not keep any stone unturned on Children's Day to make the day special for the children. Children's Day was celebrated with great enthusiasm and a sense of social responsibility. The charitable initiative started by our school in the year 2023, Joy of Giving, continued to instill the value of kindness and generosity among students. Gifts were distributed to needy children who were invited to join the celebrations. We had a grand exhibition event on 15 December 2023. The theme for the same was Spectacular Extravaganza. For talented Alphonsites, it was an open platform to project great skill and expertise on the subject of their interest. Alfonsa School takes glory in students' academic learning, capable of producing high-quality work and stand proudly beside their work.
There have been many changes in the school this year in terms of high expectation, behavior management, professional development, technology, and above all, academics.
One biggest change that needs to be highlighted is that the school made a shift from the 10 plus 2 framework to a 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 structure alignment with the new education policy. Incorporation of 10 backless days and new subjects in the timetable such as Seva period, Yoga period and VID periods has been designed to integrate health and social awareness into the regular curriculum of the students. Transport committee meeting is held every year to monitor the traffic norms according to the guidelines given by the Supreme Court of India.
All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. The school had organized one-day outing for the students and staff. The Tiny Tots of Alfonsa Kindergarten, along with Reverend Sister Jilcy and the entire kindergarten staff, went for an exciting picnic on 19th October 2023.
The students of class 4th and 5th of Alfonsa Senior Secondary School, along with the teachers, staff, went for an exciting picnic on 2nd November 2023 to Vasundhara Water Park.
On 25th November 2023, the students of classes 6 to 12 went to Wagvilla. Students of classes 10th, 11th and 12th had an exciting one-day outing at the Ways Water Park. It was great time of togetherness for them.
Kindergarten is a magical place where dreams begin to grow, where the adventures begin and imagination thrives. For little tiny tots, school is a canvas where you create a masterpiece. And yes, it's a very special day for all, as the school is all about fun and learning.
Today, Alfonsa Senior Secondary School had a wonderful beginning of new academic session 2024-25 for blooming flowers with little hands and big hearts. In kindergarten section, various activities like color day, fruit and vegetable day, flower day, poetry recitation, storytelling, picture and collage making, fancy dress and community helpers were also organized to enhance the teaching and learning process in the Tiny Tots.
The shining stars of Alfonsa Kindergarten celebrated Patriotic Day with a zest. The Tiny Tots also showcased their creativity and cuteness in a fancy dress competition held on 23 August 2024.
Our kindergarten students had a blast at sports meet held on 11 December 2024.
The National Sports Day celebration at Alfonsa Senior Secondary School on 29th August 2024 was a testament to the school's commitment to promoting sport as an integral part of the curriculum. Shravani Bobde of class 11 had an impressive victory in the CBSE National Swimming Competition, where she secured gold, silver and bronze medals. In addition to this, Mohini Rajendra Sonwani of class 6th participated and excelled under the category of martial arts and secured gold medals and bronze medals. The school also excelled in other sports such as squash, roller skating, gymnastics and carom.
Alfonsa Senior Secondary School hosted a vibrant series of competitions on October 10, 2024 as a part of the Ek Bharat, Shreshth Bharat and Veer Gatha initiative.
With great enthusiasms, students from grades 1 to 9 showcased their talents in diverse events including toy mela, folk dance, puppet making, declamation and debate.
The energetic participation demonstrated the students' exceptional skills and creativity, making the event a resounding success. Celebrating the power of languages, Alfonsa Senior Secondary School celebrated the Bharatiya Bhasha Utsav, a week-long program as a tribute to Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati from December 4 to 11, 2024.
Every year we conduct a propitious prayer service for the students of class 10 and 12th to seek eternal blessings for good results in CBSE board exams. We are proud to acknowledge that we have achieved good results in academics, co-curricular and extracurricular activities throughout the session. I proudly place before you the academic results of CBSE board exam 2024. We are happy to share that Dhanashri Salve of class 10th scored 96.02% and Dhruv Acharya of class 12 scored 90.02% and victoriously topped in the school.
Impressive! This art school seemed to be a hub of innovation and creativity. We must learn from them, Captain Omega.
Perhaps we do not need to attack Earth after all. Instead,